All right. So 9 times out of 10, once you do generate your product page, you probably got it from a competitor. And so they will have their branding on there. Like you guys see premise on here from this competitor here, right? So of course it's not my brand name. And so what I want to do is go ahead and optimize these images. So the best way that we can do that is leveraging AI, guys. And so what you want to do is go ahead and select one of the you want to go ahead and edit. Go ahead and download it by clicking this button in the top right corner. And then from there, you can hop into like Google Gemini. Go ahead and drop that image in there. And then literally tell them what to do. So I'm just going to say, hey, can you go ahead and remove let's say replace the premise name with the name, let's just say Urban Labs is my store name. And please include a little green flower to right the name. All right, let's go and drop that in there. All right, so here's what it came up with, guys. Not bad, to be honest. Also, one other tidbit is that if you already have your logo created and everything, you can upload your logo here alongside that image, just to make it more consistent, right? So that basically your logo goes on the bag type deal. All right, this will work for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this image, right? You could even use like Canva Magic Eraser to erase this little like Google Gemini thing if you really wanted to. You don't have to by any means, but another tidbit there. And once you're back in Shopify, what you want to do is just go ahead and hop into your downloads, drag that new image in. You can pretty much put it up here to replace that first image. Select that image and then go ahead and click remove. Right? And then of course you want to make sure you click save. All right. And then that image is now the new updated image, right? And pretty much you'll continue that same process through any images that may have their name on there. To be honest, we can probably get a little creative with some of the images too, like this one. Like instead of maybe throwing this in Gemini, I could just come over here to, let me go back actually. Crop and transform. Go ahead and select freeform, and we can simply just drag this down, cut that out, click apply, and go ahead and click save, right? And now that image no longer will have their name in it, right? So just make sure that you guys do your due diligence and you look through your images, make sure they all look clear and clean, make sure that they don't have like the competitor's name in it. And if they do, as you guys saw, you can either use Google Gemini to optimize it and replace it with your name, or you can get creative with the sort of crop and transform. Make sure you select freeform and you can simply cut out their name, right? If you want to move with some speed, right? Click apply, click save, and boom. Now their name is no longer there. Okay. But yeah, that is pretty much how you want to go about optimizing your images so that they are customer ready, and you guys will be good to go from here.